Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I have an incredible story that will blow your mind. Imagine powering your entire home using old laptop batteries. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what an internet user named Gluebucks has done for the past 8 years. Back in 2016, Gluebucks embarked on a unique journey. He had this wild idea to reuse discarded laptop batteries to create a self-sufficient energy system for his home. Fast forward to today, and he's built a powerhouse using over 1,000 reconditioned laptop batteries. Yep, you heard that right. 1,000. So, how did he pull this off? Gluebucks started by collecting used laptop batteries from individuals and companies, often for free. He sorted through these batteries, recovering functional cells destined for the trash. This is a perfect example of the circular economy turning electronic waste into a sustainable energy source. Now, let's talk numbers. Initially, Gluebucks' system had a 7,000 WC solar installation, which combined with the batteries produced around 7 kWh. But over the years, he scaled this up massively. Today, his setup boasts a whopping 56 kWh capacity. That's an 8-fold increase in energy production. The best part? This entire system only cost him about €2,500 to set up. Since many of the batteries were free, Gluebucks believes he's already amortized his investment. Talk about a cost-effective solution. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Gluebucks faced numerous technical challenges along the way. He tackled issues like cell balancing, electrical safety, and storage management, problems that would make most of us throw in the towel. But he persevered, gathering technical knowledge from online forums like France Powerwall DIY. With each challenge, his system improved and became more reliable. This project isn't just a personal victory for Gluebucks. It's a shining example of innovation and sustainability. In a time when the European Parliament is pushing to limit electronic waste, Gluebucks' initiative stands out as a beacon of what's possible. His work shows how we can creatively repurpose tech waste to benefit our environment and our wallets. So, the next time you see an old laptop battery, remember Gluebucks and his remarkable project. Who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to start your own tech adventure. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech innovations and incredible stories. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.